We're looking at a marina here. It used to be way up. Now you can see how far down the water is, but absolutely beautiful. Lake Mead. Heading over to the Hoover Dam. Hey folks, welcome back to another Mauihowey video. Today we are going to the Hoover Dam, and you can see right behind me is Lake Mead. Little marina behind, and we're going to head on down to the dam and walk around, maybe go inside. We'll see if we can get in or not. We're going to go do the dam walk. So we'll see you at the end of the video. A bit windy up here. A look at the Hoover Dam and the Michael Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. We're going to go on down to the dam in just a minute and see how far the water is actually down by the, looking at the rocks behind there. Windy as can be. So we were just up on that bridge a few minutes ago. You could see people walking up there. We walked out to the middle so we can get a look at the dam. Keep going this way. You can see where we're going to go. There's the dam. We're going to take a walk. Go check it out. All right, so we're taking the dam tour today. We end up taking the cheaper of the two. It goes every 15 minutes, $15 a piece. That's the dam power plant tour. Okay, we are on the Hoover Dam tour. And we're down very bottom. Big group going. Walking through the caves, going to the dam. It's the rock dug out to go ahead and get to where the dam begins. Below the dam, this is the bypass, which is now closed, but there was 4 of them.
Okay, everybody, welcome to the Nevada wing of the power plant. There are 2 wings. This is the Nevada wing. The one behind us is the Arizona wing. If I could have you look down the room here at these generators, you'll see these red and blue generators right there. There are 8 over here on the Nevada wing and 9 over on the Arizona wing of the power plant, for a total of 17 generators. Now, each of these generators is 70 feet high, but we can only see the top 30 feet above the ground.
All right, we're going to walk across the top of the dam. Take a look on down. There's these little walkouts here. We'll take a look in a minute. Still very windy. All right, folks, so that's going to wrap up this short video from the Hoover Dam here. Not too far from Las Vegas, right on the border of Nevada and Arizona. Hope you enjoyed the little tour, and we'll be doing a whole bunch more videos real soon. We're out west for 10 days or so on a vacation, so I hope you'll be coming back to check out and see what we're doing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you real soon in another video. Take care, folks. Here's a look at the Lake Mead side of the dam, and you can see just how far down the water is from its peak crest. Stunning sight.